Butter London Jelly Preserve Strengthening Treatment. The 2 inches 1 translucent nail color and 10 free nail treatment formula gives the effect of a delicious sheer jelly look while working to rejuvenate the look of nails and helping to repair damage from harsh nail formulas and practices. Nourish, strengthen, and rejuvenate the look of dry, brittle nails, lock in moisture. Apply 1 coat to clean, dry, bare nails for an ultra sheer look or layer 2 or 3 coats to enhance pigment.
If you like to buy the product, please check out the link to purchase in description below.